Amritsar Bulk Water Supply Scheme. Amritsar is a city in the northwestern Indian state of Punjab, situated 28 kilometers from the Indian border with Pakistan. 440 MLDWTP is proposed under the project titled Design, Build and Operation of 440 MLD water treatment plant and associated transmission network and overhead service reservoirs in city of Amritsar, Punjab, India. The raw water will be sourced from UBDC canal through off-take arrangement, which will be further carried to WTP through MS Gravity Main 200 meters in length. The gravity main will feed two raw water storage cum pre-settling tank of 120 million litre with a minimum retention period, which in turn will deliver water to the process units for further filtration and treatment. Raw water pump house. Water from outlet of RWR will be pumped to cascade aerator through pumps installed in raw water pump house. Cascade aerator. The cascade aerator is provided mainly to reduce the iron content, if any, in raw water. While the raw water cascades down the steps provided, it absorbs the atmospheric oxygen, converting ferrous form of iron to ferric form. Inlet chamber. Inlet chamber is provided to collect the raw water from cascade aerator. Pre-chlorination is envisaged in inlet chamber by injecting chlorine through bottom-mounted diffusers. Inlet channel with partial flume. Pre-chlorinated water from inlet chamber then flows through inlet channel installed with partial flume, equipped with installed ultrasonic flow transmitters to monitor the flow through channel. Distribution chamber. The flow from inlet channel shall be collected in a distribution chamber, which is equipped with sluice gates for ensuring proper distribution of water into the flash mixers. Flash mixer. The tank is installed with an agitator to achieve intimate and rapid mixing of raw water with alum and lime, helping in the formation of microflocks, resulting in proper utilization of coagulant, preventing localization of concentration and premature formation of hydroxides. Drop chamber. Flow from flash mixers shall enter the drop chambers equipped with pipes through which the raw water will be conveyed to the respective solid recirculation clarifiers. Solid recirculation clarifier. The flocculation and sedimentation processes are effectively incorporated in a single unit in the solid recirculation clarifier. Clarified water channel. The clarified water flows through launders and reaches clarified water channels, which lead to the common clarified water channels before entering the bypass channel. Filter inlet channel. The clarified water enters the filter inlet channel, which is then routed to each rapid gravity dual media filter through the filter inlet gates located in the channel. Dual media rapid gravity filters. The clarified water upon entering the filter inlet channel is routed to the rapid gravity filters. There shall be 24 filters, 22 working and 2 standby. These filters have been designed as declining rate type with dual media, consisting of sand and granular activated carbon, GAC. Filtration is by gravity downwards through a bed of GAC followed by filter sand and subsequently supported by a layer of suitably graded filter gravel. Filtered water from the rapid gravity filters is conveyed to chlorine contact tank through filtered water channel followed by pipe. Chlorine contact tank. Filtered water enters the chlorine contact tank. Post-chlorination will be carried out in CCT through diffusers. Clear water reservoir. The clear water reservoir is provided for storage of treated water for further distribution to the elevated service reservoirs. Clear water pump house. There are 2 numbers of clear water pump houses, that is 1 each for North and South zone, which comprises of 6 numbers of HSC pumps each, 4 working plus 2 standby, from where the treated water is pumped to the overhead service reservoirs. Filter Annex Building. Filter Annex Building will house the air blowers, backwash pumps, service water pumps and booster pumps for chlorination in the ground floor. Backwash recirculation sump. The dirty backwash water generated from backwashing of filters is routed to the backwash recirculation sump from dirty backwash channel located underneath the filter inlet channel. Sludge sump. Sludge from solid recirculation clarifiers is conveyed to the circular sludge sump having 2.5 hours detention time. Sludge thickener. The supernatant from the thickener is routed to the backwash recirculation sump and the thickened sludge from thickener is collected in thickened sludge sump. Thickened sludge sump. The sump is equipped with agitator so that the surface of the liquid is constantly agitated. From the thickened sludge sump, the thickened sludge is taken to centrifuge through centrifuge feed pumps for further dewatering. Centrifuge building. The dewatered sludge cake from centrifuge is transferred to sludge storage shed and the centrate is recycled back to backwash recirculation sump. Sludge storage shed. Dewatered sludge cake from centrifuge is stored in sludge storage shed. It shall be constructed with 15 days storage capacity. Chemical house. A double-story chemical house is included to provide necessary space for the storage of chemicals, dosing tanks and equipment, unloading area, etc. Chlorination building. 12 numbers chlorinators have been considered. Booster pumps with adequate discharge and head shall be provided for pre-chlorination and post-chlorination. Chlorination system. Pre-chlorination is done in the inlet chamber mainly to reduce the ammonia content and microbiological growth in raw water. Administration and control building. Administration building is additionally provided for accommodating the following: office, laboratory, toilet, central control room. Transmission main. The total scope of clear water transmission main is 112 kilometers, which comprises of MS and DI pipelines spread across length and breadth of Amritsar. The scope of DI pipeline is 80.63 kilometers with diameters ranging from 200 to 900 millimeters, and for MS pipeline the scope is 32.05 kilometers with diameters ranging from 1118 millimeters to 1728 millimeters. The 2 clear water pumping mains shall feed the 51 number of proposed overhead service reservoirs of various capacities, 10 of 1 million liter, 9 of 1.5 million liter and 32 of 2 million liter capacity, along with the 24 numbers of existing overhead service which are proposed to be rehabilitated. These overhead service reservoirs will cater to the water demand of the population of the city.